How to pay YouTube Premium with Debit Card. You can use credit debit cards to buy YouTube Premium. For this, first go to youtube.com and log into your account. Then, from here, you can just select the profile that comes from the top right now. Here you will see a bunch of options. Then select Purchase About Assets and Memberships. Now here you will see Premium and Music. Select Premium. To learn more, try 1 month. Now select your basic plan, individual, family, or a student. Select anyone. Then try 1 month. Now here you can see an option to add credit or debit card. Just select it and then select Right. Now enter your card details here. Card number, date, security, color and name, street address and postal work. And then select Safeguard. And that's it. Thanks for watching.